What is the workflow of our program? That is, firstly we import the packet, that is import our.util. After that we will make a class, that is binding search, and after we will make our main function public static void main, and inside it we will define the scanner class to take input from the user in key. After that we will define our low, that is start from 0, and high will be length of array minus 1, that is 10 minus 1 equal to 9. The crux of the program will be an inside while loop while low is smaller than or equal to high, and after that we will find the mid, that is low plus high by 2, and after that we will check key equal to value array mid. Then we will return or print system.out successful. And after that in else if we will check our key is smaller than the value of the mid, then we will high will be mid minus 1, and else low will be mid plus 1. And after that we will show you a real diagram of this program, actually how this while loop is working, and how it will give our output. If we will take our key as key equal to 66.6 and our low equal to 0, and high will be length of a array minus 1, that is 9. In while loop low, that is 0 is smaller than or equal to while true, and we will find mid equal to low plus high by 2, 0 plus 9 by 2, 4, and we will find value of 4, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 43.1, that is not equal to our key. After that else if key is smaller than mid, yeah, not key, that is 60.6 is greater than 43.1, so we will increase our low equal to mid plus 1, that is 5. In second round low equal to 5, high equal to 9, mid equal to 5 plus 9 by 2, the 5 plus 9 14 by 2, that is 7. Value of 7, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that is 78.9, that is not equal to our key, that is 60.6. It our key is smaller than value of mid, then our high will be mid minus 1, that is 7 minus 1 equal to 6, In third round, our low equal to 5, high equal to 6, mid equal to 5 plus 6 by 2, 5 plus 6 11 by 2, 5. We will find value 5, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 52.9. Value 5 equal to 59.5, that is not equal to our key, and key greater than 52.9. So our low equal to mid plus 1, that is equal to 6. For fourth iteration, low equal to 6, high equal to 6, mid equal to 6 plus 6 by 2, that is equal to 6. We will check value of 6, that is equal to our key equal to 66.6. So we will return message of successful. Now I am going to show the actual Java program in VS Code. I have already import the Java package and make the class binary search and main method, and it is a double array as you already seen in question. Scanner C equal to new scanner system dot in, and we will store our key that is input by the user. After that we will define boolean found equal to false, int low equal to 0, high equal to values dot length minus 1, and after that we will run our while loop. While low is smaller than equal to high, int mid equal to low plus high by 2, and after that we will check if values dot mid equal to our key, then found equal to true, and as soon as found equal to 3 we will break out of the loop. Else if key is smaller than values mid, then our high equal to mid minus 1, else our low equal to mid plus 1, and outside the while loop, if found, if our element that is key found in while loop, then we will return system dot out dot println found successful, else system dot out dot println element not found. We will save this program and run this program.